tends to take me like 40 minutes of running to like it. So I have another 10 minutes to start to get into the zone. Oh, so it's the night before the marathon. I picked up my race numbers today. It was just a quick packet pickup. There wasn't an expo or anything, so I didn't film anything. But I have all my stuff ready, which I'll insert. I posted a photo on Instagram. And here is all my race stuff. So I have all my stuff laid out. I tend to do this because I'm a little neurotic before a race. So I have my outfit, my shirt, and costume for the race. I'm not going to probably race full on. I'll probably try to wear the glasses at the beginning, maybe some photos, but I have like other glasses here. But then I also have my shoes, which are about to hit over 300 miles or close to. So they're getting retired after this race, like the compression sleeves, socks, my running stuff. I always a tip that I do is when I put on my, I like keeping my number on my shorts, but if, I like keeping my running number on my shorts, but if I don't like putting it on without wearing them, so I put them on, then put them on. And then I have some electrolyte stuff, I have some run gum, it's my GoPro I film on, it's a half marathon, so I usually just do one clip block. I have a battery backup for the GoPro, and then my running stick, my running glasses, and then my AirPods, since I'm an Apple person that loves running with that stuff. So I've never run that long with them before, so we'll see how the battery holds up with it. So that's all the stuff. So the next time you'll see me will be waking up and getting ready for the race and driving out there. I made it down here in about 30 minutes, like I thought. It's like 5:20. The buses should be leaving here. I'm walking to the bus from the parking garage here at the Fiesta. The lighting's good, so I figured I should record now. Sorry, it's shaky. I did not bring my gimbal because there's no gear check. So here we go. It's time for the race. Well, in 2 hours. Getting ready in about 15 minutes. A little windy. It's almost up. First water station was at 2 3/4 mile. About 30 minutes in, about 3 miles. It's well above my pace. I figured since this is the first one I've done in 4 years, if if I finished with less than a 12-minute mile, that would be winning. I'm well above that right now. This is the first I've walked in 3, which is actually better than I train, because it always tends to take me like 40 minutes of running to like it. So I have another 10 minutes to start to get into the zone, but I'll check in next time I walk. Back to time lapse. The course just said we are at 5. The Nike app on my Apple Watch says 4.97. Close enough. Hey, good morning. I'm hoping I have enough battery for the GoPro. It's about to run out, so I'm trying different things. So sorry if the video looks a little spotty. I'll let you know if I save battery, because I want to definitely get the finish line. So I might stop once we hit more of Henderson recording, but I'm going to change the battery out, keep it on time lapse, and that might help. We'll see. It's about 9%. Look how pretty this is. It's very deserty. We're on a bike path. Hey, good morning. It's mostly been downhill, but there's a few of these like little hills like this. But yeah. So back to the run. This is the first time I'm really walking. I'm at 6.25 miles, about 1 hour and 10 minutes. Look at this. So it's Vegas. So pretty. Oh, so amazing. So about across the freeway. It's really all downhill from here. So you can like literally see all the way down to almost where we're going. Pretty amazing view. Oh, okay. I'm gonna go back to running. I feel my heart has come down. Oh yeah, it was. So, take a photo or two though, real fast. Okay, so we're 8 miles in, 1 hour and 30 minutes. I'm about 70% with the battery, so I think I'll be good. So hopefully we'll get the whole race. I'm on track to do about 2:30, which is exactly what I said I would be happy with. I think I'd actually be happy with 2:45. And we're really just taking it easy. So we'll see. I feel really good right now. So I'm really surprised. It's kind of nice. So, oh, it's really loud. Hopefully it's not too loud for this. But if it is, it is. I'll try to fix it and edit. And if not, I just started this, so I'm not that good yet. Okay, here we go. Okay, I just had a water stop, about 9.5 miles. We're getting really into the heart of Henderson now. I wonder if we wash up by Water Street, like downtown area. That'd be fun. I'm feeling good. I'm on like a 2-hour and 30-minute pace still. This is just robe. It's hot. Here comes the minion. Oh, it wasn't a minion. The minion's coming. He's catching up with his wife. This is probably gonna be the last. This will hopefully be the last walking spell this race. So, whew, feeling good. It's just hot, and I forgot to put suntan lotion on. So I'm afraid of getting burned. So I should hurry up and finish. So here we go. All by myself. This is personal. Just finished. My watch was off, but we'll see. Check the video. I'm going to link right here for the race review where I talk all about this. So thanks for watching. Bye.